The world changing has been powered by innovation, along with human history. Society has experienced numerous leaps in technological advances. Beginning as a regional industry leader, we have now expanded our horizon, obtaining reliability and trust all over the world. Focusing solely on building efficiency, we are capable of delivering unparalleled energy and cost-saving solutions. Johnson Controls is dedicated to providing a comfortable, safe, and sustainable world. York, ingenuity for smart manufacturing is to build trust and give you confidence. We strive to make business more friendly, operation more efficient and easier. Combined with YorkWorks AEC Works cloud selection software to achieve automatic sales order generation and accurate data transmission to SAP system. Enable competitive product with software such as MES, APS, E2Open, and PFEP, etc. Ensure product implementation tracking for full process through WMS and TMS system. We empower manufacturing process to be smarter. Full functional machining center has automatic, high-efficient, and lean production capabilities. CNC hole drilling center, automatic tube sheet deburring machine, CNC plasma cutting machine, automatic plate rolling machine, automatic sub-arc welding machine are all safe and automatic. High-efficient pressure vessel line and unit assembly line realize high quality, automatic, and lean flow. Robot machine automatically weld tube sheet and pressure vessel. The first automatic tube inserting machine in chiller industry highly improves efficiency by considering ergonomic. Tube expansion robot with data wireless transformer system improves the expansion quality to 6 Sigma level. Pipe bending machine automatically bends piping by eliminating its stress with 3D technology in order to prevent piping from breaking to leakage. By constantly challenging ourselves, questing for innovation and excellence to realize the extensive integration of the advanced manufacturing engineering, lean manufacturing, and automation technologies. We empower quality to be more reliable and stable. Advanced inspection methodologies ensure superior quality from essence. Innovative and creative detection technologies are applied to rigorous and intelligent process quality control. Computer radiography technology, highly efficient and environmental, won the first Chairman Award for Johnson Control China manufacturing team. Phased array UT technology fills one of technology blank for non-destructive examination industry. Intelligent pneumatic test system breakthrough traditional concept to set up a new approach for pressure vessel strength testing, which prevents from corrosion, safety, and reliability from remote monitoring. Compressor and motor laser alignment system ensures their axes stay on the same line to effectively prevent refrigerant leakage from the shaft seal. Creatively applying hydrogen leakage test technology to reduce the leakage ratio, then become Johnson Control a global benchmark detection standard. Auto electrical simulation test prevents tiny errors from wrong electrical wiring or less electrical wiring to ensure product quality as well as to reduce cost through a chiller performance test in testing labs. Automatically inserting system ensure refrigerant charge more accurate and efficient. Intelligent performance testing systems guarantee high product performance. Dozens of performance and environmental modification testing labs, America ARI and China National Test Lab certificated. Contact chiller performance, safety, reliability, vibration, and sound testing in order to convince the subject features meet even exceed design specifications. Reliable data detection and transmission provides numerous data sources for quality data analysis and improvement. We empower raw materials and work in process materials, moving to be more precise and visible. Materials and components are consistently planned in a virtual space. Every part has its own name and address to be automatically scheduled, allocated, and connected. The automation counter system, stereoscopic warehouse help raw materials and parts planning more accurate and efficient. As a result, they enable them to be connected seamlessly among production processes. Working process, moving equipment, ensure employee safety, improve production efficiency as well. We empower system to think. Manufacturing process data are all timely communicated to data center to ensure all these discrete data be visible, trackable, and manageable. We empower system to communicate. Connections among equipment, systems and human beings allows all information to be collected and consolidated to build up a real smart manufacturing. The talk will ensure strategies to be formed based on first-hand and field operation data integration and optimization. Smart manufacturing has no endless. To pursue change, innovation, and continuous improvement is forever our theme to go forward. We are bravely pursuing, then dare to practice, even there are unknown risks. All of above make Johnson Control Wuxi Factory win the first and highest manufacturing benchmark reward, JCMS Level 4 award. We are always seeking reliable building solutions for both work and life. York is committed to creating a truly comfortable space for our customers. York Products, your best choice.